Exemptions given under ILP are unconstitutional, claims Chakma body. OIL urges people of Assam to allow day-to-day operations. And Jamia Millia remains tense over CAA. Many students decide to leave for their homes. Good afternoon, you're watching Times of Manipuri English News. I'm Mandira and now the news in detail. A group of Jamia Millia students today stood shirtless in the bone-chilling cold outside the university gates to protest the police action against their colleagues a day earlier. Slogans of Inqilab Zindabad rent the air as the group of around 10 students, accompanied by their fellow colleagues, took out a small march demanding a CBI inquiry into the police brutality. The situation in Jamia Millia Islamia, which witnessed protests against the amended Citizenship Act, remained tense this morning, and many students decided to leave for their homes. The university had turned into a battlefield on Sunday as police entered the campus and also used force following protest against the Citizenship Amendment Act, which led to violence and arson. According to sources, the situation continues to be tense, with many women students preferring to leave the campus for their homes. Many students feel they are not safe even inside the campus. The varsity had declared winter vacation from Saturday till January 5th and even postponed the exams. Chakmas to challenge constitutional validity of exemptions given to ILP implemented states. The All India Chakma Social Forum has said that the Chakmas will challenge the constitutional validity of the amended Citizenship Act 2019, including exemptions given to ILP states. The exemptions given are unconstitutional, as the Supreme Court of India, in the case of the National Human Rights Commission versus State of Arunachal Pradesh and Arunachal on the Chakmas of Arunachal Pradesh, held the inner line regulation does not apply for submitting citizenship applications, it is said in a statement. The review petition in the case was dismissed by the court and the judgment has become the law of the land, said AICSF advisor Suhas Chakma. There is no provision in the constitution to exempt certain states from the Citizenship Act, and India's laws did not apply only to erstwhile Jammu and Kashmir, as it had separate constitutional provision under Article 35A and Article 370 of the Constitution, which were repealed on 5th August 2019, the press release read. Oil India Limited has urged the people of Assam to allow it to carry out day-to-day operations, which the public sector undertaking giant said has been severely hit by the ongoing protests against Citizenship Amendment Act or CAA. In an appeal, OIL stated that total disruption of OIL's operational activities will adversely impact the economy of the state and the lives of the common people. Besides the loss of production of crude oil and natural gas, the stoppage of OIL's operations has badly hit production of LPG and supply of crude oil to refineries. The notification added, according to a report, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation (ONGC) said yesterday their gas output have totally stopped, while oil production has fallen by over 75% after the protests began. In the crude oil segment, oil was producing 9,000 tons per day, which has fallen to 1,000 tons after the protests began. The company is operating only 50 wells out of around 400 wells producing oil and natural gas. Crude supply to the Digboy refinery has gone down to nearly 8,000 tons from 1,800 tons of the daily plan, and the same to the Numaligarh refinery has completely stopped. The 16th State Level Orange Festival 2019 cum Centenary Celebration of Tamenglong District Administration kicks off today at Apollo Ground of Tamenglong District Headquarters. Chief Minister and Rain Forest Minister T.H. Shyamkumar, PhD Minister L. Dikho, Sekmai Assembly MLA H. Dingo, along with a host of officials from district administration and thousands of people, attended the inaugural event. We have a short commercial break coming up next. Manipur government observes Vijay Diwas 2019. More after the break.
Admission open. Admission open. Sangai Tutorial Kwakachel. Class commencing revision course 5th December 2019. Timing 3:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. Foundation course 9th December 2019. Special features: mock tests, printed study material, hostel for boys and girls, van services. For more details, please contact 8787 307 245.
Pakong ama chalake.
Chalune.
Chahi amagi plan toge haradi.
Phau pambi thabiyo.
Chahi taragi plan toge haradi.
U pambi thabiyo.
Chahi chamagi plan di.
Ichabu afaba school da mahai tamhanbiyo.
Icha kaina afaba school haidi.
Lanai coaching tobugi awaba lehendaba. School du da dum changna na coaching tohanba.
Mama paga chamana na warak watembi ba.
Gym, aerobic, dance, football, thangta.
Mamang da 12 exam ki topper su putokraba.
Khwaidagi chawba, nanba, khwaidagi phaba school. Slopeland Public School Khongjom chumabra.
Chumme yam khangi ko.
Yes, only Slopeland Public School Khongjom.
Takshila Institute, most trusted national brand with 27 centers span India. 21 plus years experience in NEET G coaching. Highly qualified IITians, NITians and doctor as permanent faculties. 25,000 plus success stories in the past 21 years. Online, offline, doubt clearing session. Study materials designed by Takshila Research and Development Cell. Smart class with centralized live classes from head office at Delhi. 24 hours Wi-Fi campus. Brought to you by Heritage Convent at Thangwaiban DM College Road, Imphal. Contact number 600 944 5522. Three-day state-level music and tourism festival from 15 to 17 December 2019 at Ramrai Eco-Tourism Park, Mapitel Dam, Kamjong District, Manipur. Competitions on bamboo climbing, tug of war with exciting indigenous games and food stalls. Artists including Kok Band, Sadananda, Gina, AJ Maisnam, Arvin, Generation Squat and DJ Night on 17 December 2019. Be a part of the festival. For any queries, contact 7085918486 or 8787623898. Young what?
Soktabana loidi.
Wabdo koknaba rebalance.
Soktabadu koknaba rebalance.
Rebalance na haksang salt amadi electrolytes singi awat pa mekhatuna adongi haksang bu tagat tikna thambang amali. Rebalance habadi electrolytes amadi energy.
Welcome back. The government of Manipur today observed Vijay Diwas at the 1st Battalion Manipur Rifles Banquet Hall today. Chief Minister N. Birain and Deputy Chief Minister Y. Joy Kumar shared the dais on the occasion. Vijay Diwas marks the anniversary of India's victory over Pakistan in the 1971 war. The third phase of training program for the examiners of High School Leaving Certificate Examination HSLC 2020 was conducted today. The training program has 4 phases. The training, which began from December 9, will continue till December 21st. The training provides techniques of setting balanced question papers and highlights and finds solutions for problems encountered during evaluation. State Health Society, Medical Directorate Manipur and Regional Institute of Medical Science today opened a 3-day training program for doctors on geriatric medicine at the State Family Welfare Training Center, Lamphilpath. Additional Director, Public Health, Medical Directorate, Dr. L.R.K. Singh, Additional Director, Health Services, Government of Manipur, Dr. P. Shamsundar Singh, Dean of RIMS, A.K. Brogan Singh, HOD Psychiatry, RIMS, Dr. R.K. Lennon, and Secretary of Palliative Care Society, Imphal, Dr. S. Jugindro, and Associate Professor of Medicine Department, Jenims, Dr. Lokeshwar attended the program.
So even with 80 years, some are here with good health, and good health in the sense that with psychological health. So it is not the age, but the psychological as well as the physiological factor is to be considered.
43 Assam Rifles Moray today organized a painting competition in connection with Swachh Bharat Mission at St. George High School. Additional Superintendent of Police Tengnopal K.H. Robinson, Major Ankit Sharma of 43 Assam Rifles and Principal of St. George School Moray, Ludra Shami attended the program. Students from different classes participated in the competition. Later, prizes were distributed to the winners. The longest ever climate conference delivered probably this week the weakest outcome ever. The 2-week Madrid climate conference could produce an agreement only after removing everything that any country objected to from the final text and postponing all decisions on the only major agenda item it had to finalize. After several countries rejected the draft agreement texts that were prepared December 14, the conference had little option but to remove all contentious phrases and provisions and produce an agreement that was mired in generalities and lacked any specific decisions. The issue of framing rules for setting up a new carbon market under Paris Agreement, the only big issue to be finalized in Madrid, was deferred entirely to next year as no country was willing to budge from their state positions. We'll take another short commercial break. Stay tuned.
Manipuri ahanba amadi adongi khwaidagi pamjaba satellite channel Times of Manipur TOMTV Airtel DTH ki channel number 646 ta fangbiragani.
Anau amadi nungai pa government ki thaba ma soina phangba yaragani. ICS coaching center na 100% job phangnabagi damakta guarantee pidun lagli. India ki oina sarkar ki thaba khwaidagi masing ena phangaleba ICS coaching center Imphal aso hanagan. ICS ki thoidoba officers singdi course amakak ki preparation tobiraga tongan ba department singi haibadi banking, railway, post office, home, teaching, defense, court haibu singa sidida thabak line phangalagan. ICS ki teaching method na minute mari nataga manga sangadaba question singbu second ahum nataga mari da solve to bangamale. Imphal da leriba ICS coaching center da boarding ki khudong chawju thamjari. For details please contact ICS coaching center Imphal Kasamthong Hodam Lairak
Khurumjari Lamjingba Finance na makal khudimaki gari sing haibadi 2-wheelers, 4-wheelers, commercial vehicles amadi commercial equipment sing ba loan pizari.
Documents isang changdana amadi processing matam changdana yamna laiba mawongda loan phangbiragani.
Amadi adom gi achinba thubagi damak mayamna wabiragano. Makal khudimaki gari ke asu bandan lawzari. Christmas ke oiba khadaba offer su pizari.
Akupa marolgi damakta lengsinbirau Lamjingba Finance Nagamapa Rims Road opposite Nitainanda Temple natragana
Lamjingba Finance Uripok Havam Diwan Lekai.
Aikoigi phone number 6909959834 da contact tobiro.
Mang ramda umikyo ikon goy buni
Welcome back. Accusing the Congress and its allies of raising a storm over the new citizenship law and saying that the opposition parties were fueling the unrest over the issue, Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Sunday said those spreading the fire, aag lagane wale, could be identified by their clothes, a media report said. Addressing an election rally in Dumka, Modi accused the opposition of providing tacit support to the violent protests that have erupted in the northeast and West Bengal over the new law, which came into effect last Thursday after the president gave his assent to the Citizenship Amendment Bill (CAB), which was passed in Parliament. The Supreme Court will hear petitions on the police action against student groups protesting the new citizenship law only when the violence stops. Chief Justice of India S.A. Bobde said after the police crackdown was mentioned by senior lawyer Indra J. Singh today, according to a media report. Chief Justice Bobde underlined that the violence would have to stop before the court could consider taking it up. The court is expected to hear the matter on Tuesday. A petition was also moved in the Delhi High Court on Monday against the police action on students at Jamia University on Sunday night. Protesters torched 4 public buses and 2 police vehicles on Sunday as they clashed with police in New Friends Colony near Jamia University in South Delhi during a demonstration against the Amendment Citizenship Act, leaving 6 cops and 2 firemen injured, officials said. Hundreds of Aligarh Muslim University students protesting against the Amended Citizenship Act were injured following police action yesterday at a campus gate, forcing the administration to announce closure of the university till January 5th. Aligarh Muslim University Registrar Abdul Hamid said the police entered the campus late last night and clashes were reported from inside, with hostels are being evacuated. Violence erupted when AMU students gathered at the Bebe Sir Syed Gate and raised slogans against the police action on students in Delhi's Jamia Millia Islamia. The students allegedly broke the police cordon. According to reports, about 60 students are being treated at Nehru Medical College Hospital, and most of them are with trauma and eye injuries caused by tear gas. Now we have the sports news. Cricket World Cup winner Ben Stokes ended a sensational 2019 by claiming the BBC's Sports Personality of the Year prize. He promptly thanked those who had helped him through 2018 to forget. Stokes' performances in the World Cup final, which England won on an unprecedented boundary comeback against New Zealand, and the third Ashes Test helped him seal the public vote for the award, ahead of 6-time Formula One champion Lewis Hamilton and World 200-meter champion Dina Asher-Smith at Sunday's ceremony in Aberdeen. In 2018, Stokes was cleared of afraid charges following an incident outside a Bristol nightclub in September of the previous year. Now the local newspaper headlines.
The Sangai Express, toll in Assam stir rises to 4. 3 buses torched in Delhi's Jamia Nagar. Assam's Chief Minister to meet Prime Minister, Home Minister. Police entered JMI by force. Students beaten up, says Varsity. Manipur Students Association Delhi decries arrest of students. Avoid notice travel, advises US, Canada. IGP appeals against December 19 ban. The People's Chronicle. CAA scales Delhi, Bengal. Assam situation normal. Police used to set buses afire, says Manish Sisodia. Manpack demands safeguard of Northeast natives. Sit-in staged. Christmas carolers held Chief Minister Biraine's leadership. Not related to T. Lukhoi, says PA to CM. Public urge to defy left party's strike. Christmas charity gives hope to people in distress. Man accused of stabbing, looting, Manipuri held. Orange Festival begins today. Imphal Free Press. Citizenship Act. Delhi turns into war zone. Students police standoff. Violence continue to simmer in Shillong. 5 civil bodies to stage rally today. The Morning Bell. Stage set for observation of 16th edition of State Level Orange Festival 2019. Say No to Plastic campaign. by the forerunner on the limelight at Orange Festival. 16 years of celebrating Tamelong oranges. Lawyers from Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur to file PIL in Supreme Court against Citizenship Act. VDF Damrai Dam is the first Kangpokpi police idol. Second state-level Barak Festival 2019 ends. Barak Festival reminds us of the importance of river in our lives, says Deputy Chief Minister. Manipur Mail. People from different walks of life staged silent anti-CAA protest. Barak Festival ends. NRC should be implemented across India, including Bihar, West Bengal, says Giriraj Singh. Vehicle torch on National Highway at Maulai.
Now the top headlines once again. Exemptions given under ILP are unconstitutional, claims Chakma body. OIL urges people of Assam to allow day-to-day operations. And Jamia Millia remains tense over CAA. Many students decide to leave for their homes. This is all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.